In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to change the transfer case fluid in a Kia Sportage all-wheel drive. This should be exactly the same from 2017 to 2022. Now, probably the most important thing in this is what type of fluid to put in it. You want fully synthetic hypoid gear oil. You don't want to just use standard gear oil. You don't want to use gear oil with limited slip additive. I'll put a link in the description. You can get this off Amazon in 1 to 2 days. And this is probably the best fluid you can put in it. And this is the only one I recommend. It's liquid moly, fully synthetic hypoid gear oil. So let's go ahead and get this fluid changed. All right, so the easiest way for you to find this is you'll see there's the oil drain pan. There's the oil drain plug. Now just look over there, you'll see the transfer case. That's the drive shaft coming out of it. That's what we're going to be working on. So as you're looking at the transfer case, right there in the very bottom, that right there is the drain plug. And then if you come over to the side, look up a little bit, that plug right there is the fill plug. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we can get the fill plug out. You definitely don't want to drain the fluid and then find out you can't get the fill plug out. So let's go ahead and remove the fill plug first. You're going to need a 10mm Allen wrench or a 10mm hex socket. Go ahead and loosen it up. To remove the drain plug, you're going to need a 24mm socket. Now once you get the drain bolt fairly loose, let's say it's over halfway out, just go ahead and use your fingers on the socket. Now you want to inspect your drain plug. So that drain plug has a magnet on the end of it, and you'll see metal shavings. You're going to want to make sure that you clean that off really good. All right, now with that cleaned off, you want to install a new crush washer. And just for added protection, I've got some Permatex Ultra Gray. This is a really good gasket maker. I just put a little bit of that on the threads. Thread in that drain plug with your fingers. You want to at least thread it in halfway before you put any tools on it. I'm just going to go ahead and snug it up with the socket. And now you want to torque this drain bolt to 32 foot-pounds. Now I just want to take a look at the oil. I use one of these clear graduated buckets. It tells me how much oil came out. So it looks like I have just over 16 ounces. Get the fluid into the transfer case. I have one of these little pumps with about a 20-inch hose on it. So the quart container will sit on the floor. And then all I have to do is just push this up and down and pump in the fluid. My quart of fluid, I have my pump installed. I have the hose going over to the fill hole, and now I'm just going to pump in fluid until it starts to run out of the fill hole. A little trickle of fluid coming out of there, go ahead and stop. Let that trickle just come to a slow drip, and then go ahead and reinstall the fill plug. And tighten up the fill plug to 42 foot-pounds. Spray down the bottom of the transfer case with some brake fluid and clean it off. That way I'm going to come back and check it in a day and make sure it's not leaking. Congratulate yourself on doing this in your own garage and not having to take it to the dealership. You should do this about every 30,000 miles. The transfer case is kind of close to the exhaust, so that fluid does heat up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll put links in the description for everything you need to get it off Amazon, and I thank you for watching.